Hey, I'm Rodney with Revolution Performance. Got a new product to show you guys. This is an intake manifold for M8 engines from 2017 and up. This is a direct replacement to the stock manifold that is a plastic molded piece. This is made of 356 aluminum, finished to T6 specs. So this is a cast piece that we've made, CNC ported, and then we hand finish it. This one is black and highlighted. It'll retail for $289.95. Again, it's a direct replacement, but it also lends some performance. And the way that we managed to do that was we made sure that these intake ports match up to the head port exactly, and we've also created more intake plenum volume, which that also allows air to flow better into the heads themselves. So not only does this make a good replacement piece, but it's also lends some performance either with heads or without head porting done to the bike previously. So good piece to buy, direct replacement, $289.95, revolutionperformance.com. You can buy it direct, you can ship it out the next day, or give us a call. We also have a natural that is just like this one, but it's finished with natural finish at $249.95. So again, revolutionperformance.com, give us a call, direct replacement intake manifold.